It helped save a lot of space in my bag, and it helped cover up my shame. I was like, oh god, this perfume smells heavenly. Hi guys, my name is Niella and I am a Nigerian beauty and lifestyle content creator currently living in Canada, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing my 2019 favorites. I did similar videos sometime last year, yes, at the beginning of last year, and that was like my 2018 current favorites. I should have done this video before 2019 ended, but I don't want to talk about what happened. But this year I've decided to spice it up, not just beauty products, but if you want to know what else I have added to the list that is not beauty related, keep watching, don't go anywhere. Hit the bell, subscribe, and like this video. So in no particular order, I'm going to be talking about my current favorites for 2019, and I'm going to be starting with this very lovely wristwatch. I love this wristwatch so much. It is from Casio and it was a gift. It was like a trad wedding gift from my husband to me, and I really love it. When you get gifts like this, you don't like to wear them all the time. You want to be saving it, but I wear this wristwatch like every day, every freaking day, to the extent that one of my instructors in fashion school I didn't know she had been noticing me, and she has been looking at my hands every time I come to school, and she was like, Ada, this is your wristwatch. It's like you don't like it though, this one you're wearing it every day. In my mind I was like, if only you know how much I love this wristwatch. I don't know why I love it, but I just love it so much. Maybe because it was the boo who bought it, but this is number one, my favorites for 2019. One of my favorites is the Royale Makeup Face and Body Glow Mist. I think I started using this last year, if I'm not mistaken. But yes, this is the bigger bottle, I think. No, the medium size. I think there's a bigger bottle, but I have been using like the smaller bottles, like the very small one, the ones that launched first, and trust me, it takes your makeup from drab to fab. Like, if you just want to glow on the inside, and it not only hydrates, the function of setting spray actually helps to keep your makeup in place, hold down your makeup, and not let it shift. Let me put it that way. And sometimes setting spray actually helps to reduce the excess powdery feeling you have on your face. Sometimes I'm always scared whenever I tend to use glow mist, because instead of it to tone down the excess powdery stuff and give me that glow, it tends to bring out everything. But this one doesn't only hydrate, it also helps to cool down your makeup at the same time, gives you that glow. So I actually use it on a daily. I'm trying to mice this one because I don't know when next I'm going to be getting this one. So this is the second one on my list. The first one I want to talk about is the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray. I think this made it to my list for 2018, and I'm going to be sharing this again. Trust me guys, this Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Spray is highly underrated. Like, some makeup artists don't even know how good this is, and it's very cheap. It retails from 1,200 to 1,500, depends on your dealer. Some people even sell as low as 1,000 naira. But this has actually been my holy grail for years. I think I stumbled upon this product in 2016 or 2017, and I have not let it go. Before I run out of it, I've actually made a new purchase. I had to buy this one because I was relocating. This is like my holy grail. Like, if you're looking for an affordable setting spray that is going to do the job for you, this is your best bet. Another thing I want to talk about is this perfume. It is Love the Rose Donna. I got it from the Perfumes and More store on IG. Actually, the owner of this brand is my friend, and she stocks really good perfumes, both perfume oils, recreations, copies, and the original versions of perfume. I needed to buy perfumes before I left, and there was no way I wouldn't have bought my perfumes from Perfumes and More store on IG. It was having like a promo on her perfume. She was doing like a promo sales on her perfume, so I had to cut myself. I was like, oh god, this perfume smells heavenly. Like, it's not too overpowering, it's not choking, it actually gives a refreshing smell. Like when you're around someone, somebody will know that, you know, this girl is smelling expensive, you get. And it's not like I bought it for like so much amount of money. It's the Love the Rose. You can check out the perfume store on the Perfumes and More store on IG. I don't know if she still has this in stock, but she has so many good, lovely scents, perfume oil you can ever think of. The next product I want to talk about is the makeup product, and it's the My Chic Fresh and Fit foundation. Trust me, this foundation was the foundation I used on my trad wedding ceremony, or my trad wedding day. My face was flawless. Yes, I have a flawless skin, because the key to a flawless makeup, you need to have a flawless skin. Like, my makeup was flawless. My makeup stayed, despite the fact I danced and danced and danced and danced. My makeup still stayed. It did not shift. I love this foundation. This foundation is matte, and it's not like totally drying matte. I don't know if you understand what I mean, but I love this foundation. Trust me, after my traditional wedding, I had to look at this foundation with a different eye. Like, I really had to look at it with a different eye. So the next product I want to talk about is this glow oil. It actually came out sometime just before the end of last year, and I had to cup myself a bottle, and trust me, this glow oil is just the best thing that has happened to me in this winter weather. I don't need to wear makeup on a regular. I don't even wear makeup on a regular, but this can take me from a no makeup look to a makeup look. Like, it can just switch up my look from Simbi to the Chanel. You know, this actually, it's not just the glowing effect. Like, it gives you this glow from within. It looks like you're not wearing anything, at the same time you're wearing something, and it's something, it's an a glow oil that actually moisturizes your skin. It replenishes and also nourishes your skin as well. It contains essential and organic oil, like, that is super suitable for your skin. The next thing I want to be talking about is this, I don't know what to call it, this bra bag. Trust me, this bag was a lifesaver when I was packing my things to leave the country. I've had issues where maybe when they're about to set your bag, and before you know, by the time you open your bag, it will be your bra that will fall out of your bag. That shit can be very embarrassing, and it has gotten to a point whereby I don't like opening my bag, or I don't like opening my box, even if I have something important I want to get there, because I know I always like to layer my bra. Like, I like to arrange them on top of my box. But with this bag here, it was so comfy, convenient, it didn't take up so much space, and it can contain. This bag was a lifesaver. I got it from at the Intimates place on Instagram. I'm going to leave the link of most of these stores I got this thing from on IG. And for the Royale Makeup products, you can send them a DM on their IG page, you know, requesting to buy any of their products. So this bag was a lifesaver. It helped save a lot of space in my bag, and it helped cover up my shame. The Royale Makeup Soft contact lens. I'm sure you have seen, you've seen videos. If you're familiar with my channel, you have seen me do videos about this contact lens, how I wore it, the review about it, and how I was able to take it out. I love the fact that it's soft. I had to remove the pack from all the contact lens because I was trying to manage space. So it actually comes with an aquolution, that's the solution, and it comes with a contact lens case. In the case, he has a contact lens tool that you use to wear it, and also a tweezer that you can use to remove the contact lens. And this is how the contact lens, you know, looks like, and this is what the solution looks like. So I like how soft it is, and for the colors I chose, I tried to play safe, and they actually looked, you know, really good. I'm going to just put a picture somewhere around here. And the next thing I want to talk about, my next favorite product, is this Blistex Lip Medex. He said for cold sore cracked and dry lips. Trust me, I got this lip balm when I came here. I actually traveled with Vaseline, the very cute Vaseline lip balm that has a very cute blue cover, the lip therapy, sorry, but I can't seem to remember where I packed it. Maybe it's in my makeup bag or it's in one of my travel boxes. I actually don't know, so I just had to quickly buy this. I can't remember how much it was. I bought it when I got here. I think I got it from Walmart, and trust me, this actually repairs cracked lips. Like, I wear this to sleep, I wear this to go out. I'm actually wearing it here, and it's one of my favorite things I got for last year. I got it towards late last year, and trust me, this is like the best thing that's happened to my life in this week. About the Royale Makeup powder palette. I've done a review about this powder palette, but I'm only going to say one thing about it. If you haven't seen my review, you should go and check out my review. This powder palette is actually portable, lightweight. It's something that you can just dip into your bag. And if you're very confused on what shade to use to highlight, contour, I'm sure this is just like the whole package. You don't need to pack like a setting powder separate, your own powder and a contour powder separate. You just have to put this into your bag and you're good to go. So guys, I think I've come to the end of this video. I actually had to rush the video because I have somewhere to go to in the next 5 minutes. I am not ready yet. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a fat thumbs up, share with your friends, and I'll see you all in my next video. Do have a fabulous day ahead, guys. Love you all. Bye.